Yo YouTube, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. This video today is going to be showing you some Brainrot Evolution codes that you can use right now to get all secrets in Brainrot Evolution Roblox. This is a simple code that, like I said guys, is going to unlock all secrets for completely free, and this is working in October 2025. So let's get into the video guys. Before I start the tutorial, make sure you drop a like on this video and subscribe to my channel, because I do plan on making many more Brainrot Evolution codes videos that I know you all are gonna love. So let's get into the video. As you can see guys, you need to use your mobile phone internet browser. So just ensure you have an internet connection. Open up the browser of choice and head on over to www.coldcoupons.com. As you can see guys, just spell it exactly like this: COLDCOUPONS. And it's going to bring you to this web page. Now, as you can see, they have loads of pages that are not Brainrot Evolution. So what you're going to want to do, guys, is just navigate your way to the Roblox Brainrot Evolution codes page. So I'm just going to use the search and type in there Brainrot Evolution. And it should pop up, guys. As you can see, they have other Brainrot games as well, but this is the codes page here for Brainrot Evolution. Now, as you can see guys, these are really popular codes, and there's only a couple of them, but as I mentioned, there is a code here that's going to get you all secrets in Brainrot Evolution. So this is going to get every single secret Brainrot for completely free. Click on get code, and as you can see, this confirms your choice, and then you need to click on this blue button that says show full code. And this is going to allow you to unlock all secrets, and it takes a few minutes to do this process, but it is well worth it considering how much of a grind it would be to get every secret in the game. So as you can see, it says your code is ready, and the code will be revealed after you complete a verification. As you can see, your Brainrot Evolution code is protected, and it is sort of hidden here. And that's because these are limited codes, guys, and this process stops people from stealing all of the codes. So this does limit one of these Brainrot Evolution codes per person. So to unlock your code, you simply click on this button and follow the instructions on this screen here. It says complete 2 of the free tasks below to get your code from Cold Coupons. Now, these tasks basically are free things. They're all completely free. And these are things like surveys, mobile applications where you just have to install the app and run them. They're really simple things, guys, like the email. These surveys, you simply have to enter your email and just answer some questions like this. Super simple. So you simply just type in your email in there, and that one would be complete, and then you can just choose any other one. So just complete 2 of these. I'm going to skip through this just so it doesn't waste some more time. But yeah, basically guys, if you complete 2 tasks on that screen, your Brainrot Evolution code will be unlocked here, and you can redeem it. And that is how to get all secrets, all secret Brainrots in Brainrot Evolution. Really easy method, guys. Takes just a few minutes of your time. Head on over to Cold Coupons. If you have any questions or just want to show your appreciation for this tutorial, drop a comment in the comment section below. Make sure you smash the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.